How to fix Instagram hashtag limit if you post more than 3 hashtags. So this is very easy fix. So all I have to do at first, the very first troubleshooting step that you want to have to do is of course go into your Google Play Store or any app store that you use on your mobile device to download apps. And then search for Instagram. In here, make sure that the update button is not visible because this might be the factor or the issue why your Instagram has been limiting your post with hashtags not more than 3. So hit on update and you should be able to be fixed. The other thing that you can do is to look for your Instagram application icon. Simply tap and hold and then hit on the eye logo. Scroll down from here and then go into storage and then choose on clear cache. This will actually refreshes the whole application and will not delete your account or touch anything from your account. And that's it. That is how you fix Instagram hashtag limit post more than 3 hashtags.